Alright, so pretty much like I said the other time that I was gonna install more parts, so for today what I just got in a package from ECS was the CTS turbo kit intake. So I'm gonna just get straight up and open it. Alright, there you go. What we got in here? Holy shit. Pretty sure this is the filter. Not a sticker. I don't know. Shit, y'all can use that. Holy fuck. This shit's like hella protected. A little filter. Pretty sure it's like the heat shield. Alright. Get the little filter, see what it is. Alright. Yeah, pretty small filter. Pretty sure I'm not supposed to clean it with oil. I don't know. This one is supposed to be the big one. Pretty big. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Alright. Throw this away. Okay. Pretty sure he's done for this. The box didn't come with instructions, I'm pretty sure. Alright, so pretty much in order to just put this whole thing together, what you just want to do, you want to get your 7mm socket, just grab it from one side, and then from your other side, you just want to get your Allen key that fits. This one doesn't give me my the number, so I can't really tell you. You just want to just grab from the other side and just tighten it. And once you tighten it, it should just end up like this. And right now I'm just stuck with this part, so I'm pretty sure it just goes on top just to protect it from like hits and stuff. I'll just cut off when I figure this shit out, so yeah. Alright, so pretty much I already got almost all of it done. I just got these, so these rubber pieces, I'm pretty sure just to protect it from like things that hit it from the top, like the hood and stuff. So you just put these, just apply from pressure, and then you get this metal part right here, you just put it like this way, because this part is gonna, like, this part right here is gonna be connected to this, and then this, you just clips on to like right here, this part right here, it just clips on. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And then for the filter, yeah, that's like, for the filter is pretty much the last thing. So yeah, time to remove my old one right here. Time to remove this one and just swap it out for the new one right there. All right, so I'll see you guys right in a few seconds. Pretty much I just took out the old one, install this. It's hand tight right now. I just got this right here. So all I need pretty much is just a filter. Put these two little this little filter right here, which I'm probably gonna do thinking first, and then this one, the big one, last. So yeah, I should probably install it quick. So this is my first time installing this. I was like, I almost finished installing. I just need the big filter, but I was like, well, why is it so short? Like, it couldn't reach. But then I saw like an image on Google about the kit, and it had this. So what you just want to do, just for a tip, you're installing this and it's your first time too, just remove it off your old one right here. It has just 2 screws. Oh, they're right here. It has 2 screws. Just unscrew those 2. It should just come out perfectly, and just pretty much just goes in, and then goes in from the other and climbs right there. All right, so I just cut it when I'm finished with all this stuff. All right, so here's the part. I installed it. Got the 2 screws that came with the, I can't really see it, but let me see. see it? Oh, you can barely see it. Well, I just got the 2 screws tightened down really tight. So now the final step would be installing this big boy. So installing this one. So that's pretty much the last step, and then I'll probably do a sound test. So yep, see you guys then. All right, so I just did everything pretty much. Did everything correctly, I'm pretty sure. So it's time for the test. I'm about to turn on my car, so let me just get in the car real quick. Time to turn on the car. Let me see. Let's see if everything's. Oh, like I don't know if it's like because the hood is open, but this thing is like a little bit louder. Not gonna lie. Let me just I'm gonna do it with the hood open. I'm gonna accelerate it with the hood open, and then I'm gonna like close it and see what's the difference. Alright, I'm gonna accelerate it just to see. Oh shit, I'm about to accelerate it. Let me just turn on this. Oh hell no, never mind. It's gonna make a beep. Oh. Oh, it sounds way better. Oh yeah, it sounds way better. Alright, let me just close the hood. There you go. Alright, now with the hood closed, let's see. Let's see if it's equally as loud or not. Yeah, it sounds way better. I try to include some clips of like it driving, so like you can probably hear it. So, all right, let me just turn off the car now. All right, mission successful. Yeah, it wasn't that hard, honestly. Pretty easy install. So yeah, this is pretty much like gonna be the end of the video. So things I got in the mail were the intake kit, and I also bought like secondhand the 4 Gli 8. So I'm probably gonna be installing this like tomorrow, but I'm probably gonna upload this video first. But it's pretty much like brand new. Pretty much brand new. Comes with everything except that since it hasn't been used in a while. I'm gonna have to like maintenance. So I bought the little kit. So first I'm gonna maintenance this. I might not even record it though, maybe. But pretty sure the next video that comes out after this one is gonna be me installing this. So just like turn on and subscribe and turn on your notifications, so when like I upload how to install like the diverter valve, you can tune in and you guys can hear the diverter valve with the CTS intake kit. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you liked the video. Hope you subscribe, and thank you. Bye.